Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Jammer Exercise Bike. It's an indoor cycling bike with a brake pad and magnetic stationary bike for our home workout. It comes with adjustable resistance. It's a silent belt drive. This cycle bike with a comfortable seat and a nice cushion and an upgraded LCD monitor brings us a nice workout routine. That means here it comes, more stable and safer than before. The frame of this exercise bike is crafted from high-strength steel with a multiple triangular support structure and a 15-pound heavy-duty cast iron flywheel. This ensuring stability during rides, even at full sprint and speed. It offers a safe and reliable training experience. And fully adjustable, because the spring pull pins allows for easy adjustment of the handlebar and seat position. The handlebar are adjustable in two directions, up and down, and the seat is adjustable in four, up, down, fore and aft, fitting users with a height of 5 feet up to 6.2 feet. With an infinite resistance knob, we can freely adjust the intensity of our workout. One exercise bike meets the workout needs of our entire family. And it's silent and smooth. This cutting-edge stationary bike features a silent magnetic control system. That means noise-free bearings and a self-generating power system that eliminates electrical humidifier. Experience a smooth, quiet ride that allows us to focus on our workout without distractions. We can elevate our fitness journey with innovation and tranquility. And LCD monitor and tablet holder is included because the LCD monitor tracks speed, distance, calories, odo, and the RPM, so that we can know our progress and adjust our exercise plan in time. The tablet holder accommodates the phones, iPads, or other devices, making our workout more enjoyable. However, user-friendly design. Because this exercise bike comes equipped with a water bottle holder and a dumbbell rack, or there is a rack for food on the back side, or another bottle. This allows us to hydrate and engage in different trainings. The resistance knob allows for emergency braking, and the transport wheels helps us easily move the bike if it is not in use. And quick and easy assembly. The experience the convenience of the settings up this exercise bike with an ease and a video of me. The package arrives with a comprehensive instruction manual and all the necessary tools. They have designed the assembly process to the straightforward that we can have our exercise bike ready to ride in just a half hour. And it's space saving. This indoor stationary bike is compact in size. This covers only 5.9 square feet of space. This is perfect for a home gym. Engineered for efficiency, it's designed to fit seamlessly into any room without compromise and without performance. We enjoy a full body workout with a minimal footprint. We get ready to the pedal. We can have a way to the house with such a device here. Jammer is a new fitness equipment brand committed to providing high quality, scientifically rigorous product for users like us, with a focus on ergonomics, kinematics, and other scientific principles. Each Jammer product is meticulously developed and continuously improved to meet the need and experiences of us customers. Here it comes. This is the Jammer Indoor JK10 exercise bike for the home gym expert. That's for fat burning. That's for body shaping and for muscle building. Because this is a spinning bike. We have an unshakable stability for our fitness journey. We have a 4-point support, a dual triangle structure, and 270-pound weight capacity. One bike for all of ours. We have adjustable handlebar and seat makes it possible. It fits for users from 5 up to 6.2 inches. And suited for inseam from 26 inches up to 39 inches. So, 4-way adjustable seat and 2-way adjustable handlebars makes it possible to go to sprint, uphill, speed up, and warm up ways. So, it's ultra quiet and smooth. 15 decibel, less than 15, the Jammer exercise bike. For example, 25 decibel is per whisper, or 45 is a library. So, that's really cool. And it's easy to move because it's safe spacing. It covers only 5.9 square feet. And we have a comfortable seat cushion, a dumbbell holder, a water bottle holder, a multifunctional device holder, a spring pull pin, and an adjustable foot pad. So, for what are you waiting for? Use this to perform a new level of fitness for you at home. Use the Jammer exercise bike. This isn't a beginner into cycling bike with magnetic brakes, a stationary bike for our home gym. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So